Hi guys. Today in this video, I will show you how to add a sequence in our form view and how to add a sequential value. So uh, for this project, for this video, I'm using Odoo 15 and Visual Studio. So here we go. So first of all, if we go in Visual Studio, first I just show you the environment. If I just go in, this is my module for practice. This is customers just for this video. So if I open the form, so it has first name, last name, just the normal information. So what we will do, we will just add a field here, and whenever we will create a record, we just want a sequential value starting with a prefix with padding and all that. Okay. uh, so for that, let me just show you first what are the sequence in front end. So if we just go in settings, make sure that your developer mode is on. So my developer mode is on at the moment, so I just go in technical, and here we just need to find sequences. So here all the sequences which are currently using uh, in Odoo, all are here. So if you just look in sales order, there is a sequence here, and which is starting from S, and padding is 5. I just want to give you an example. If you just go in sales orders, and I just create a new sale order, choose a new customer, any product, okay, and we just save it. So once we save, you see the it's coming from S and the 5 padding, as I tell you, and this is the number 24. If let's duplicate this, so it's 25 now. And if you want to see in front end how we can go, we can see, we just go in settings again, and again, as I show you sequences, you can just go in sequences, look at the sale order one, click it here, and as you see, next number will be 26. So next step is 1. We can also add 2, 3, whatever we like, and sequence size is 5. Start is starting with S. So how we can apply this on our custom module, this is what I will show you today. Okay. For that purpose, we just need to go in our Visual Studio Code. This is the my custom module code. My custom module name is customer. This is my model file. These are my model files. My model py file is first file. This is just for the sake of practice, and this is the view first file. Okay. So for this purpose, what we need to do, we just need to create a new folder, because all our sequences we normally make in a data folder. So we just right click on our module, new folder, we say data. Okay. So in data, we just want to create a new file. We name is any name you want to give. So I just do it sequence.xml. I copy this file because I will add it on our manifest file. I go in manifest. This is our manifest. Okay. Make sure the first security layer should be added, and after that all data file should be added. So we just say data and slash control V. Okay, this is, we have added our sequence file now. Okay, so we go in our sequence file and start adding our uh, sequence code. So let me just add prerequisites. Control C, go in, Control V. This is for the starting in our XML file. We start with Odoo tag. That's it. Okay. And first of all, we just added with record ID. And here we just need to give ID to our sequence. So I just say sequence, anything we can give here. Customer details. Okay. And then model. Always we will give here ir dot sequence. This is the model name. ir dot sequence. Okay. And in here, after that, we just need to add field name, and we start with uh, name, and name we can give any. We just say customer sequence. Okay, we just copy this. Okay, after name, we will add code. So here, any unique number, uh, model number will be fine, but we will give our model name here. So our model name is this one, first class name. So we will just give this name here. This should be a unique number. After that, after code, that is prefix. Prefix is the starting number. So because it's customer details, so we just say CD. Anything, you can just give anything, uh, to be honest with you. So after that, it's padding. Padding is that how many uh, integer or point numbers it should be. So we just say that padding should be 5. And okay, let me just copy this again, one more. For coding, we should also add one more thing, which is company ID. And it should be false. Okay, this is that's it. So this is how we can create the sequence. First of all, the ID name, we can give any name, then our unique code, and that that can be a model name, which I have just given. CD is the prefix, and padding is 5, and company ID evil is false. Okay, so let's run this. I just copy this name here. We'll see, and I go in front end. I just search with customer, update my module. I just want to show you if it has been created. Our module has been upgraded. Let me just go in settings, go in technical and sequences. I will search with the name here. So if you see customer sequence has been created, this is the unique code, and prefix is CD, padding is 5, so it's perfect. Okay, now we just go in our Visual Studio Code. What we need to do, we just need to add a field now, and for that purpose, we just go in our Py file, and we just create a field here. I will call this field, let's suppose, reference. character field, and we just name this field as reference. Okay, so this field, after that we need to add this field in our view. For that purpose, I will just suggest you just search in a sale file in sale module. So if you just go in Odoo modules, so here are the Odoo modules here. All the base add-ons are there. So you need to search in sale. So if you just go in sale and in model files and sale order.py. So here you need to search with name is equal to. So if you name is equal to the first. Okay, so you just copy this one because uh, in sale order it's been used in making a reference. Once we copy, we just go in our um, code. I just paste it here and change the name here again, reference. Okay, after that, I will just make some adjustments. Um, we don't need this states and index is true. We just delete that. So if required is true, yes, copy is false, so it cannot be copied. Read only is true, yes, so we cannot change it. Automatically it should be triggered, and default is new. So it should be all the time. If there is no code, before code, it should be new. It will show us visibility as new. Okay, so this is how we can give our reference field. Let's put this field in our view. Again, I will suggest you you just check it in your sale module that how they have done it. For that we just need to look into sale order module. So in that, if you see in the view file, and that is a sale views, you just need to copy this bit, div class OE title. So if you just copy this, and we need to paste this in our view after sheet. So if we go in our view file, XML file, and we need to search sheet. So our sheet is here. So just after sheet, if we just paste this code there, and in our field, that field is name. So we just need to paste our field here, which is reference. Okay, let's verify again. Copy from here and in our file, which is here. Okay, that's it. Let's upgrade again. So we just want to see the field if it has been uh, placed properly. We just go in our front end. Let's upgrade our module. Customer. Okay, let's upgrade. Okay, let's check it. We go in customers in our module, and if we create it, okay, this error is there. Object has no attribute ID. Let me just check. Okay, guys, there was a field error. That's why error just came up. So I just delete that field. Um, let's again upgrade it. And after upgrading, if we just go in our customers, our module, So if we want to create a record, we can see automatically new is here. So the last step, we just need to create our reference now. Okay, so guys, to do that, we just need to override create function. Um, how to do that? Let me just show you. First of all, we just need to write decorate our API dot model. This is how we can override create function, because we need to create our record. So it's define create self, and walls will get all the values. Okay, so here again, I will suggest that if you just go and search in sale module all code, you can just find it from there. So if you go in sale.order model and search for here, control F, search for define create function. So here you just need to copy this one, if walls dot get name new. So if you copy it here, go in our file, paste it here. So we say that if our values vals from create function, the field is, we say our field name is ref, um, reference, before I just change the name, ref is new. So again, we go in our cell and we say we need to copy this walls, control C, and so here we will paste this field here. Okay, this line here. So we say here walls, we that should be our name, a field name, ref as self.envir sequence next by code, and here we need to give the code of our sequence, which will be this one, the unique code which we have stated there. So we need to paste that code here, and we don't need this. That's it. And after that, to close this, we need to say press super, and here we need to give our class name. This is basically how we are overriding the create function, that is common, and same every time we will do it, self and dot create, and here we need to give our walls. That's it. And now we need to return it, return press. So that's it. Sorry, it's that is the mistake I have done. Okay, so res, so basically we pass this variable uh, res, and then we just need to return it. That's it. So here, this is how we are overriding create function. We need to decorate it with API.model. Define create is the create function. Walls, or all the values which are coming when we are creating the record. And then if we say if our field is new, then we generate this sequence with this code on the place of new. And then this is, we are closing our create function. So let's run this. We see what is happening. And we upgrade our module. Okay, our module has been upgraded. We go in our menu, customers. Okay, we need to create a new record now. We say that this is Andrew James Mobile number is gender is whatever we said, James at AOL.com. Address is for whatever road. Okay. Once we save it, okay, this is the wrong value. We save it. Okay, guys, you see that new has been replaced with our prefix, which is CD we gave in our sequence, and padding was 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the first one. If we go in settings and go in the sequences, find our sequence, which is this one, first class name. That is the name of our unique code. This is the name of our sequence. You look at that. Step one, that is just one. The difference will be one. Next number will be two. So if we change this number with five, so next number with five, and now if we go in customers and we create a new record. So you see the next number is 5 now. So this is how we are creating the sequence. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe it. And if you need to ask anything, you can just email to us. That is odooistic@gmail.com, or you can message to us. Thank you so much.